Even if you've never earned money online, don't have a sizable audience, or haven't even started to develop your website, I'll walk you through all you need to know in this video to start affiliate marketing on your blog or YouTube channel. 1. Choose a niche. A niche is a smaller market segment that is identified by its own distinctive qualities. You become an expert on it, and people will remember you for it. Pet care or tiny homes are examples of affiliate marketing niches. Travel blogging is another. Easy Affiliate identified the following as the top affiliate marketing niches: health and lifestyle, technology, personal finances, pet care. Of course, these aren't your only choices. There are a huge number of choices. The only way to become an expert is to keep up with trends and learn new things all the time. Are you able to fix issues? Affiliate marketers frequently have specialized training or industry knowledge. They now have fresh approaches to inform audiences and assist in problem solving as a result. Do a fast Google search to find out how well-liked your niche is. Check the level of rivalry in the area. Check out market reports. Since it indicates that there are customers ready to make purchases, a busy niche isn't always a bad thing. Selecting a specialty that you enjoy is the objective. You won't start earning six figures right away. Operating an affiliate business requires dedication and patience. Even if you're making a lot of money at it, you'll be more motivated to keep doing it if you already enjoy it. 2. Select a platform. What platform you'll employ for your business is the next thing to think about. Every affiliate marketer has a unique platform and strategy. Blogger Ryan Robinson, for instance, earns more than $300,000 a year from his site, despite having an Instagram account. Some affiliates only promote TikTok or Instagram to get affiliate commissions. As a newbie, you have two options to consider: niche website for product or topic reviews. For a specific demographic, these websites offer product reviews and product comparisons. To assist consumers in their purchasing selections, they can also provide buyer's guides and product tutorials, like the Wirecutter website from the New York Times. Bloggers, social media influencers, and YouTubers are examples of content creators. They often release content that appeals to their audience in order to increase influence and boost clicks. A nice illustration is how Ryan Robinson's blog concentrates on freelancers. To build an audience and promote the brands he is involved with, he frequently writes fresh information about freelancing. Genuineness and audience participation are two essential components of affiliate marketing. Your target market is likely to reject your recommendations if you can't establish a connection with them. Unsure about the best platform to use? Start with a platform that you are familiar with. Instagram is a good site to use if you like to make videos for social media. If you have strong writing skills, blogging can be the ideal option for you. You will be able to develop content that resonates with your audience and promotes affiliate sales by using platforms that you are already familiar with. 4. Produce worthwhile content. Globally, consumers spend an average of 170 minutes online in 2019, according to Statista. Although people are consuming content, you must make yours valuable to your audience if you want to stand out. Great tool for this is blogging. According to Finstack, blogging accounts for 65% of all affiliate marketers' traffic. New affiliate marketers should focus on providing high-quality content and establish a highly engaged audience, according to Kelly Marole of the Greenspring Home. Later, that will yield dividends. Using social media to promote your content is a quick and cost-free way to reach potential customers. The pins on your various boards can be used as affiliate opportunities on websites like Pinterest. Numerous affiliate marketers run their entire business solely through social media, such as Amanda Cerny, who rose to fame on YouTube through her vlogs and is now a well-known influencer and affiliate marketer on Instagram with over 24 million followers. Reaching your audience requires doing some keyword research and using SEO effectively. Another strategy for retaining website visitors' interest is through email marketing. 5. Develop a fan base. You must first reach your audience in order to grow one. You can reach out to your audience directly by building email lists. Anyone who joins your email list will receive newsletters, updates on fresh material, and interesting deals directly from you. Consider following and tagging influencers who may be interested in your field if you primarily operate on social media. Making every effort to boost traffic to your website or social media page is the name of the game. Avoid trying to sell anything to your audience only to make a quick profit. They will trust you more if they sense that you genuinely care about them.